Yo guys, it is Nihers back with another video, and today we'll be showing you how to use your green screened intro that you have. Now, a recent viewer called GRUTHO, shout out to him, he commented on my video about some stuff, so I checked out his channel and he actually has a green screened intro, but he does not know how to use it. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use a green screened intro. Hopefully he lets me use his intro because I'm gonna be using it. I'm just gonna be cutting out of one of his videos. So yeah, this is a Sony Vegas tutorial. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, we're on the desktop, so just head over to Vegas right there. I already have my files right here. So basically so that YouTube channel, GRUTHO, he let me, well, he didn't let me, I don't even know, but I'll just be using it. It's a little shout out to him. Good job on your videos. But he commented on my videos. He asked me to check out his channel. I went over there, I looked at some of his videos, and I saw that he had a green screened intro on his recent one, and he didn't actually use the green screen. So we'll be showing you how to actually do that now. So I'm just gonna be cutting out his intro right now. I'll just be showing you what a green screen intro looks like if you don't know. So let's just play. My echo, my life is a party. My home is the club. I party like a rock star. Dance until I drop. My love is a party. Okay, now click S and just delete that. Okay, so now we got this, right? And let's just pull the audio track a little lower. Now you guys need to add your gameplay or whatever you have and make that a lower layer, okay? Make that a lower layer than the actual intro. So you can do that. I just made some random layers. I don't know why. Let's just remove those. Okay, we have this, right? Now let me just cut up this gameplay. So pretend you want to stop here, okay? You stop talking or whatever. You'll be like, okay, I'm into my video. Let's just clip that right there and remove the end. And now what you're gonna want to do is, let's get to the actual green screening. Just put your green screen intro a little further over than your like gameplay or whatever you have. This is kind of hard to explain. Like, you don't want it to be like that. You want it to be a little over. Now next, let's just play it to see. So it's gonna be like this. My echo, my life is a party. Or we can just push it back, talking. My echo, my life is a party. Okay, so that's cool, right? Now what we can do is you can right click on the intro, or you can go to media effects, video event effects, or you can click on effects right there. Let's just click there and go to chroma key. Now it'll open up this new plugin chooser tab or video event effects, or it'll just open up both of them. Now make sure you click on chroma key, click add, and okay. Now it'll bring you to this, okay? Now click color. Let's just go to where our green screen is, okay? Okay, now wait. Okay, so let's click on that and click on this tool. Now what it does is it just sort of it's like a it samples out the color. So we click anywhere. We were gonna click the green, right? Because it's a green screen. So that's what it's gonna be removing. Click the X now, and let's see it. My echo, my life is a party. My home is the club. I party like a rock star. Dance until I drop. My love is a party. Okay, so that's a little odd. I'm not really sure why it's black. Let's just try it. Let's just try it when it's on top. My echo, my life is a party. My home is the club. I party like a rock star. Dance until I drop. My love is a party. Okay, so we saw. I think there must be another green screen layer under that or something, because it's going clear, if you can see. So let's just push this here and pretend that we make more video, right? So this is already done now. Now you can just add your video there, and when it ends, it'll pull out and you'll just start talking again. So basically that is it. You guys can just go render out the video. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Remember, we're almost at 100 subscribers. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.